I gotta drive. Get your bag.
Where's my bag? Bag is right there.
What's it? Your candy's there. Get your bag. Let's go. What's wrong? What's wrong?
I cannot laugh. It's so funny to me.
What's wrong? Hey, where's your
Hey,
candy?
don't jump. What's the problem?
Not in there.
Why? What's in there?
Macaroni.
Macaroni. What's in there? Show us.
I think Blake walks up and looks in the bag. And Blake's like,
Tyler or Blake?
Blake. He claims it was like, what is that about?
What's in there?
Food. That's not candy.
What?
Hey, did someone take your candy?
Tyler, get off the table.
It's food. That is not candy.
What's in there? Let me see it. I want to see my M&Ms.
Show Troy. Show Troy what's in your bag. I guess this is the trick side of trick or treat.
What's in there?
She likes macaroni and cheese.
Nuts. Some barbecue sauce.
That's some good trick-or-treating you had tonight.
Skyline chili.
Man, that's good trick-or-treating.
That's a good trick someone played on you. What do you think?
What?
What do you think did that? You're pretty
Why
sure
would you think it was him?
It looks like he's videotaping. You are a genius.
I noticed that.
Give me a piece of candy.
No.
So are you going to ask
Where
him
it
what
is.
your candy is?
Where is your
Eat that.
Dad, tell me a secret word.
I ate it. That's why I had to fill it up with that.
His face is like, really?
You need it all.
All right, well, it's time.